Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for you. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. National Geographic Mega Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kits. This extra-large dig brick has 20 incredible gemstone and fossil specimens, allowing your kids to experience the thrill of discovery over and over again. It's sure to become one of their favorite educational activities. This digging kit is so exciting because every specimen is genuine. Your children will uncover genuine gemstones and fossils that are millions of years old, making this a truly unforgettable educational toy. This National Geographic Science Kit has all the tools your child needs to dig like the pros. In addition to the dig brick, there's a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. Hands-on learning has never been so fun. National Geographic STEM kits make learning fun for your child. The hands-on thrill of finding specimens is enhanced by full-color learning guide, packed with information on each of the specimens they discover. Makes a great STEM gift for boys and girls. Next, Infinity Cube 2 Pieces Fidget Cube Toy. You can use these infinity cubes to lessen boredom when you are waiting in a line, having a school break, or taking on the bus. This infinity cube toy can keep your minds and hands fixed on it, making your mind work effectively and help you to improve your creativity and imagination, even can improve flexibility of your fingers. Great help for anxiety, focusing, quitting bad habits, staying awake. Also effective for focus and deep thought. This is the perfect fidget cube toy to keep your hands busy or to just play with. A palm-top fidget cube toy for fidgeting. It relieves nervousness and anxiety while doing a task or simply waiting. It helps a fidgeter focus on the task at hand while lessening bad fidgeting habits such as nail and pen biting, leg shaking and knuckle cracking. Next, Kugum Wooden Blocks Puzzle Brain Teasers Toy. Wooden blocks puzzle are made of natural and healthy basswood with high quality and smooth surface. Non-toxic paint ensures safe play. It contained 40 PCs with a reasonable sized board. Wooden Toys Tangram Brain Teaser Puzzle Game have several examples for shapes and things to make with it. Each time you mixed up the pieces, the puzzle would come out differently. Such as pistol, human, robot, tree, umbrella, flower, pyramid, and airplane. The simple design and bright colors are perfect for sparking any imagination, and it feels great to challenge kids with this tangram jigsaw puzzle, but also to just take on an easy challenge that you can complete differently every time. Perfect for times when you or your child just need to calm down or relax. Geometric assembling blocks use common geometric patterns and colors to keep children busy for different options to play. Solving it themselves helps to keep kids' brain focused and adds creativity to eye-hand coordination and color and shape recognition. It's better than on-screen. Awesome wooden intelligence puzzle for kids, and great fidget toy for adults. This traditional teaching mathematics puzzle always being attracted in both young kids and elderly people. Next, AMERFIST Flying Ball Toys. The Flying Orb toy provides intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds will create different flight lines and boomerang effect. You can use your ingenuity to create your unique way of playing. The colorful LED at night will make your magic ball cooler. This hover ball has undergone rigorous testing, made of high-quality materials, which are soft but durable, drop-resistant, lightweight and flexible. You don't have to worry that the flying toy will be damaged easily by your kids. It will stop automatically when it hit the furniture or any other pieces of stuff. About 20 minutes full charge, 8 to 10 working duration. It enables various charging options such as charged by computer, power adapter, mobile phone, and portable charger. The indicator light comes on when charging and goes off when fully charged. Rechargeable and can be played over and over again. You can play with the flying orb ball indoors and outdoors. It is a great toy for various parties and activities. Besides, it is good for developing children's intelligence and improving their creative ability. For adults, it is a perfect way to reduce stress. It can easily bring people closer to each other. It is a perfect gift for anyone. Next, 2-seat kids bike trailer and stroller. Included one-wheel stroller kit enhances use with a quick transition from biking to strolling out of the box. Suspension keeps kids comfortable by softening bumps and jostles. 20 inches push-button wheels are quick and easy to install and remove. Height-adjustable handlebar doubles as an additional roll bar when folded forward while biking. Water-resistant cover and zippers provide added protection in wet conditions. Rear window ventilation. Sunshade protects passengers from harmful UV rays. Next, ThinkFun Gravity Maze Marble Run Brain Game. Playing your way through the challenges builds spatial reasoning and planning skills, and is partly an engineering and building toy that provides a great stealth learning experience for young players. Gravity Maze is a combination logic game, marble run, and STEM toy that's one of the best gifts you can buy for boys and girls age 8 and up. It contains 60 challenges from beginner to expert, a game grid, 9 towers, 1 target piece, and 3 marbles. Easy to learn with a clear, high-quality instruction manual, you can start playing and solving right away. Gravity Maze comes with 60 beginner to expert challenges that become increasingly difficult as you play through them. Next, Star Sky Night Lamp for 1 to 12 years old boys girls. Multicolor Stars Night Light Projector, can be used as sleep assistant or room decoration. 4 built-in new generations LED bulbs with 8 different color modes. Projector light can project up 15 feet, 250 square feet of the house. Star Projector Night Lights color modes, warm light, blue, red, green. And different combinations of 4 colors. The on-off button on the back side of the night lamp. Starry Sky Projection Mode and Night Light Mode. Create the ideal sleep environment for your child, also perfect for adults to attain a relaxing and calming effect. Baby night lights can be used as a nursery night light, holiday mood lamp, party, birthday, wedding atmosphere lamp, table lamp, sleep-soothing lamp, also as an eye protection lamp when using a mobile phone or computer at night. Next, LL Moose Hover Ball for boys and girls. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults, this hover soccer ball can turn a humdrum day around the home into time well spent with family and friends. These hover balls have soft foam bumpers playing defense to protect internal components, furniture, and little feet on the move. The outdoor and indoor soccer ball hovers on a cushion of air for smooth gliding on hardwood, tile, asphalt, and short carpets. Get a kick out of not 1, but 2 air soccer hover balls equipped with flashing LED lights, ideal for dark or low light rooms.